for the Department of Health to start making sure that we operationalize the medical college in the targeted time frame. We had to come up with a service rule for the recruitment of faculty to run the medical college. We were happy to do that, and now we go ahead and go to the next stage to prepare for the operationalization of the Shillong Medical College at the earliest. The second item that was approved by the Honorable Cabinet was the Meghalaya Dental Health Service Rule. We still do not have a dental health service rule in the Department of Health. This document now enables us to quickly speed up all pending activities with regards to promotions and with regards to recruitment to better the dental health service in the state of Meghalaya. The third item that was approved by the Cabinet today is the approval of the Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2024. It shall now become operational, and we are happy, and we will keep the press fraternity informed from time to time about what would be the various components of this particular welfare scheme. Is now being prepared, and we're going way ahead. We've gone way ahead. We've already tendered various components of constructions that need to be put in place. We are already looking at affiliation. There's a bit of a snag there, but we are going ahead. We're looking at option B, option C. We have said that we would prefer to see, we would target to see that it becomes operational in academic year 25-26. Tura also, we are hopeful that we will be able to operationalize it at the earliest, but I require a little bit of time because there are a few modalities that need to be worked out, and we will brief you accordingly as and when information is available for us.